ngicela ningitsheleni if bekuyimo sile ku this whole situation ningangisabi ningitshela ukuthi intombi usile intombi intombazane esile mangivakasha kuba ngihamba ngine impahla zami vele ne-toilet ne pillowcase yami ne Vascom yami understand which is I understand angavele leyo masihlangana ebusuku mama ke waphe grave I don't eat grave why is the situation about worse waphe grave angiyidli grave grave ngilethela yabona ungathi ungavomit understand umama ke uphake phezulu kwepapa le grave leyo igcwele phezulu kwepapa so angikhona ukuthi ngayiphushela kancane esayidini fanele ngihwaye so ngihwaye nesikhokho nalalela papa lengihwaye understand ezinjalo yo dress
Sanibonani, molweni, dumelang, absheni, hello. Welcome back to the channel Bafowethu. You are watching Heal Care, your go-to source for international updates, real life stories, and a pinch of umgosi. Alrighty then. Namhlanje siphethe untombi Bafowethu. Uye osixoxela istory mayelana neexperience ayithola while visiting her friend. We're gonna listen to the video. We're gonna judge whether was she wrong or not. And if it's your first time right here, don't forget to press that notification button, join the family, and I'ma see you after the video. Let's get to it.
ngicela ningitsheleni if bekuyimo sile ku this whole situation ningangisabi ningitshela ukuthi intombi usile intombi intombazane esile so okay ngiyavuka ekuseni siyazini singambe ngiye ku Facebook ngiyovula like account entsha because of lekudala ngisayithanda understand angisayithanda so ngena kubo people you may know ngaya this other girl bekumngane wami guys bekuyi best friend yami bekuyi best yami sacabanisa ukuthi mina ngamvakashela ngiphethe iVascom yami ne pillowcase yami hey wozani ngiphelele udaba so mina nogele samangani 2020 until 2022 two full years yonke singabangani ngiyithanda intombazane kumngane wami like kuyi genuine friend yami ngimlola lo mngane kuyimo okhulumayo kuye olwaye yabona kuma friendship kunezinto ukuthi kunalo mngane kunalo okhulumayo kunalo olwayo so mina bekuyimi lo okhuluma kakhulu and then yena uyashayana understand the friendship leyo man you understand so okay umngane wami like bekaloku athi intombi ngicela uzongivakashela kithi hey mama ngiyakuthanda umama umfuna ukubona umngane wami understand uhlezi eze ukuthi bathi kunontombi but like akazi ukuthi intombi wena ngicela uzoyenza sleep over Saturday and then uzohamba Sunday and then Monday sesikolweni understand izinjalo like mngane wami ngiyafuna ukuvakashela le but mina angikhona ukuvakasha asikanjani angikhona ukuvakasha ngiphiki ukuqala ngithuzi kunokuthi ngingakho angikhona ukuvakasha ngifuna ukuthi nithi hey intombi umuntu osnacks and whatsoever athi ngiyacela aloka force ngiyimtshela ukuthi angikhona mngane wami angikhoni aloka force azathi mama hamba ntombi hamba ngithi yo angikhona like angikhoni ay okay shop figure this other thing itsazeni nithi ngihamba mngane wami uzothi athi mina ngimthandi angireciprocate understand in because yena ukhona ukuza kithi mangivakasha kuba ngihamba ngine impahla zami vele ne-toilet ne pillowcase yami ne Vascom yami understand which is I understand angavele leyo masihlangana she was like if Vascom yami I was like ish Tommy angikhona ukugeza la angikhona ukugeza ku bathtub la geza khona abantu abaningi angikhona ngihlula nayithi ukugezela kule Vascom le angikhona ngizenzisa angikhona even na la rest umama zoma qeda ukuclean sengiyazi ukuthi uclean what time maqeda ukuclean nyayo ngiyogeza kuqala and then after that ngiyayiwash ngiyiclean mina futhi because of angithandi angikhoni and then ebusuku I use iVascom yami ukugeza because of angikhoni guys angikhoni futhi pillow anyways so mangifika kubo beba like ay okay bangwelcome but like yabona like beba ngikho excited ngane indaba ukuthi ngize neVascom yami ne pillowcase yami understand so Saturday kwaba sharp vele mina and then ebusuku mama ke waphe grave I don't eat grave why is the situation about worse waphe grave angiyidli grave grave ngilethela yabona ungathi ungavomit understand angiyidli grave angiyidla ukuthi ngiyazitshela angiyidli so maka like if umama uphake phezulu kwepapa le grave leyo igcwele phezulu kwepapa so angikhona ukuthi ngayiphushela kancane esayidini fanele ngihwaye so ngihwaye nesikhokho nalalela papa lengihwaye understand izinjalo yo dress ngayahwasa ngokuthi ngibhekile like seba snacks and abasikho sharp plus ngigeze iVascom yami plus ngize nepillow yami angikhoni ukulala kupillow yomunye umuntu angikhoni ukulala kumcamelo omunye umuntu nanoma ungafaka ithawula angikhona abuza ubuthongo abuza ubuthongo nakuma family gathering angeke uzungithola mina kuma family gathering guys avoida izinto ezinje. So okay Sharpu Sunday makangikhapha ngoba Sharp vele lo ngikhulumisa maka mangifika kithi ngifonela wathi angithandanga ukuthi wena uze never sicom yakho nepillow case yakho sekuba ngathi thina singcolile la endlini usitshela like usitshela ini usitshela ukuthi singcolile ngamanye amagama ini wathi ngicela i-friendship yami nawe iphelele la. I understand. I was like yo ngiyaxolisa like I'm sorry about that but like angikhona ngishilo njengoba bengitukuta ngifuna ukuvakasha bengavoidela lezi zinje ngiyaxolisa and then wangiblocka kanjalo loyo mngalo kwangiblock nathi angazi ukuthi ngiyaxolisa futhi okwenzakala nona imiyeke angazi nibe honest nami guys ukuthi Ntombi bosile obo wrong. I understand.
Alright bafethu Ntombi sekakhulumile ke bafethu simzwile usibekile istory sakhe nina nithini ke beka wrong or noma nje umuntu osile nje asikhulumeni kuma comment. Well mina ke subjectively mina esidini lami mangisizwe istory saka Ntombi hayi akekho wrong Ntombi. Yeah akekho wrong because ushilo kumngani wakho ukuthi mfethu mina ukuthi ngize kini ngizovakasha kini beka nama doubts amaningi because uyasho ukuthi yena wamtshela umngani wakho ukuthi yena uyahlupha uyangithola so uyazi understand ukuthi the way angakhona ifa ngaya lapha khaba umngani wakhe bazoba ne bad impression ngayo ngithola into le wayibona yena lento le because uyazazi ukuthi vele yena uyahlupha. Yeah so singabantu asifani bafethu uyangithola so we need to understand that and ifamily yakamngani wakhe nayo zange ibe wrong ukuthi iphatheke kabi because abamazi uNtombi ukuthi umntwana unjani yabo. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu obe wrong umngani wakhe lo beka umvakashela because uNtombi wamtshela ukuthi umuntu onjani uhlupha kanjani. She could have tried to understand ukuthi uNtombi umuntu onjani okay yiphi izinto angasifuni then azame ukuthi zame uunderstandisa abazali bakhe ukuthi hayi lo muntu ozaba fethu uyahlupha umuntu osona so that's why beka ngafuni uzongivakashela lana because usaba ukuthi yabona uzogcine ashiya i bad impression yangithola. Yeah that's my thought man. So sonke singakhuluma kuma comments bafethu simjudge the way ngicabanga ngakhona but mina into engicabangayo ukuthi azini uNtombi akekho wrong. So yeah bafethu asikhulumeni kuma comment. Subscribe to the channel, join the family. Uyazazi mawuthanda umgosi mfethu, yazi mawuthanda indaba mfethu ngijoin mfethu sikhule sonke kancane sizosifika la sifuna ukuya khona. Namhlanje bafethu Friday ngicela nesiphathe kahle. Niphathe nabanye abantu kahle, niphathe nabanye abantwana kahle. Inkosi sithanda sonke bafethu. Peace and love and light. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.